If the bypass charger is not working on your Samsung Galaxy A37, there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind in order to make sure that it works. So for example, in order to be able to use the bypass charger, you must be sure that the power supply is compatible with Samsung Galaxy smartphones. There might be some bypass chargers that are simply not compatible with Samsung Galaxy smartphones, so you will not be able to use them. Secondly, the bypass charger should have at least 25 watts, as it is written over here. We can read that the power supply must have 25 watts or more, or higher. So if you have a power supply that has less than that, then it might not be working on, it might not work on a Samsung Galaxy A37. And the third point is that you need to have at least 20% battery on your phone. So if the battery is less than 20%, then you will not be able to use the bypass charging option. So make sure that your phone is at least a little bit charged, and then you should be able to use it. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.